and people in this administration tell you.
Sorry.
Yeah, get the belly. Get the belly, oh yes. Such a pretty dog. Such a pretty dog.
Chewy. It's okay. Chewy.
Such a pretty dog.
It's okay.
You're such a pretty dog. Distracted by the schnitzel. Get in.
No, your mom had sex. All right, hot Jack.
Stop calling me that. It's freaking me out. What's wrong with that?
Daddy, look at that.
I wasn't there before.
Oh shit, I got it. Yeah, I'm good. Bite me.
I like it.
Doesn't look much of a like to me.
I know. I think so.
Is it good? You like that, don't you? Yeah, you're such a good boy. Look at that. You're a pretty dog. Yes, you are. You're a pretty dog. Oops.
Subject is now in an hot sun.
Behind his ears.
I'm trying
Is that a good
to keep
brush?
spinning around in circles.
He has like 50 gnats behind his ears. I know. I'm sorry. Chewy! Chewy! Hey! Here, bite on it. Just eat it if you want. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You want some hair? Eat that. Eat that hair.
I'm eating down there.
Working on something. Family coming up.
Oh crap, where did all this come from?
My hand.
Having fun, huh?
You gave it to him to eat it, so he stopped.
Mr. Quiet.
It's good.
This isn't nearly as good as the other ones.
No.
Bear, stop. You're getting brushed. That's such a good boy. You're a good boy.